Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we will be revealing the teaser of Godrej Properties' biggest plotted township, new launch Godrej Evora Estate, located bang on GT Karnal Road, NH44 Expressway near Eldigo Paradiso, Sector 40 Panipat. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, plot sizes, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now let's talk about the project overview. This project will be constructed on 43.5 acres of land parcel that will have multiple sizes of 750 plots approx, inspired by Greek island, Italian coast and Spanish villa based on Mediterranean living theme, with all the uber luxury, 70 plus amenities and excellent connectivity. Coming to the location part, project is located in Panipat, Sector 40 Panipat, bang on GT Karnal Road, NH1 Expressway, upcoming nearest rapid rail metro station 5 minutes drive, Panipat Toll Plaza 6 minutes drive, Tau Devi Lal Park 8 minutes drive and Civil Hospital is 10 minutes drive from the project. Now talking about the amenities, project has ultra luxurious amenities likes of 1.25 acre clubhouse, swimming pool, gymnasium, forest cafe, garden, pickleball court, open gym, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. Coming to the plot sizes, project has multiple sizes of plots available. One is 130 square yards, second is 150 square yards and third is 180 square yards. Some of the major USP of the project is that here you will get plot on your name. Means the ownership of the land will be transferred to you, unlike other plotted projects where they usually don't do it. Here there is no time foundation on construction, which means you will have complete freedom whether you want to construct the house in 1 year, 2 year or 5 year. Here you can construct stills plus 4 floors, Godrej brand trust, so you can be rest assured that your plot is safe in terms of legal assurance and there will be no encroachments etc. as the whole township will be managed by the Godrej Living itself. Now let's discuss about the booking process. Project booking window has opened. Clients can inquire about the township and the sales team will show the project actually, explain the complete project details. They will also share the pricing and payment schemes, and then if you like the project, then you can pre-book by paying a token amount of rupees 5 lakh. This token will have multiple benefits like exclusive launch discounts, preference in inventory selection, which means token holders will be called first to choose their preferable inventory. 100% refundable means after giving the token, if the client doesn't want to move ahead for any reason, this token will be 100% refundable without any deduction. So everyone, this was the teaser of Godrej Properties' biggest plotted township, new launch project named as Godrej Evora Estate, located in Sector 40 Panipat.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.